What's up guys, SuperSaf here. Today is a very exciting day because it's Oppo's very first online launch event in Europe. I'm in Barcelona and I'm going to be the exclusive influencer that's going to be taking you with me on this journey behind the scenes to uncover the ultimate experience. Michael.
Hey, Saf.
Great to see you. How are you feeling?
I'm a bit excited, a little bit nervous. It's been a long time coming since our last launch event for the Find X series.
Of course. Well, I've been given the challenge to uncover the ultimate. Is there going to be an ultimate challenge that you guys are going to be doing?
There is a challenge. So here you have my phone, and it's actually run out of battery. And what we need to do is charge it.
Okay.
The target is to have it fully charged within 38 minutes.
Oof, that's going to be an
there it is
interesting
now.
challenge.
Yeah.
It's on zero, I can see.
It's on zero now.
Can you tell us anything else?
I don't know if I want to tell you anything else at the moment.
A little bit more? No?
No, not at the moment. You're just going to have to wait and see.
All right, excited, all the best.
Thank you so much.
Go for it.
Thank you. Hello everyone, I'm Michael Tran and I'm the Head of Strategy and Product Marketing of Oppo Western Europe. We originally wanted to launch our new flagship series at this year's Mobile World Congress in Barcelona. However, we decided to cancel our launch event as we wanted to ensure the safety of our partners, guests, staff, and fans. This was our top priority. We then explored new ways to unveil our latest product. So, I have the pleasure to be with you all here online to present our new flagship device. The Find X2 series will be the ultimate 5G device. One that will not only allow you to quickly download and watch your favorite movies and shows in perfect clarity, but to also take advantage of the new innovations that come with the fall as we continue to see technology evolve in the 5G era. The Find X2 Pro is our 5G flagship, one that is surely to set new standards for the industry. As you know, the screen is one of the most important parts when you're looking at purchasing your next smartphone. So, knowing that, the display is important. We at Oppo are introducing the Ultra Vision screen. In 2020, we think 120Hz screens will be the norm for flagship smartphones. So, to create the ultimate screen, we built something that is smooth, clear, accurate, and comfortable on the eyes. The new display found on the Find X2 Pro lets you see, feel, and experience more than ever before from your device. The 120Hz screen on the Find X2 Pro will also be huge for all you gamers out there, as there is more 100Hz content for gamers, as they typically have a higher refresh rate. So, whether it is your daily browsing, watching your favorite movie shows and sports, the 120Hz refresh rate will provide the ultimate viewing experience. The Find X2 Pro also includes a 240Hz touch sample rate, meaning touch reactions are faster. We know for gamers, every millisecond can be the difference between winning and losing a game. But with the Find X2, they have the advantage. The Find X2 series also supports a Quad HD+ ultra high definition screen, so consumers can rest assured that they are watching their favorite shows in perfect picture clarity. So we've introduced a 10-bit true 1 billion color display to ensure a more accurate, deeper, and richer visual. This, combined with our Quad HD+ display And the fact that every single device is color calibrated before leaving the Oppo factory has led the Find X2 series to receive an A+ top tier display rating from DisplayMate. The O1 Ultra Vision engine has two key functions, motion clear and HDR enhancer. Firstly, motion clear. Considering most mobile devices or videos is currently in 24 frames or 30 frames per second, motion clear provides the ability to upgrade 30 frames of video to 60 frames or even 120 frames per second, delivering optimal high frame rate video experiences. The Find X2 Pro is also HDR10+ certified and is the first device on the market able to convert standard definition content into HDR looking videos, thanks to the industry first hardware level SDR to HDR video. HDR Enhancer is supported by partners including Amazon and YouTube. Coupled with dual stereo speakers and Dolby Atmos, the Find X2 series brings an upscale cinematic experience everywhere that you go. One that is perfect for sports, social media videos, and action movies. The Find X2 series is our flagship series. So of course, we've gone one step further to create the best camera on the market. We've teamed up with DxOMark to put it through its paces. Can you guess where it ranked? That's right, we're incredibly proud to say that it ranked first place. The Find X2 Pro comes with a tri-camera setup, including a 13-megapixel telephoto lens, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide angle lens, a 48-megapixel wide-angle primary lens designed exclusively for Oppo. Put it another way, it is an advanced as an entry-level DSLR camera. What's more, the Find X2 Pro brings in dual native optical image stabilization technology. In bright environment, it uses low gain to improve the dynamic range and overexposure. In darker environment, it uses high gain to suppress noise and enhance the quality of night shots. Working in collaboration with Sony, we've introduced the IMX689 sensor exclusively to Oppo to take picture-perfect shots at night. Thanks to a 96% increase in the sensor area and a 130% increase in sensitivity, the Find X2 Pro is able to let in more light and therefore taking higher quality nighttime shots. The main camera on the Oppo Find X2 Pro adopts a customized 48-megapixel Sony sensor, IMX689, which has a big sensor size, making it the biggest among the 48-megapixel mobile camera sensors. The size of the single pixel reaches 1.1 micrometers, combining 4 pixels reaching 2.24 micrometers. So on the Find X2 Pro, we have introduced the industry's first all-pixel omnidirectional Pdaf technology. Through this breakthrough technology, each pixel becomes the focus point. For the user, all this means for you is that you can focus faster and more accurately, even in dark environments. In fact, it has a first-time focus success rate of up to 97%. We took low light photography to the next level, introducing the ultra dark mode. So check this out. These images were shot in the same environment, but the one that you see on the right has been taken by the Oppo Find X2 Pro. The ultra-wide angle lens has also been upgraded so customers can take clearer pictures of objects within a wider range. Thanks to the improved wide-angle lens, the Find X2 Pro introduces super macro mode photography and video capabilities. With a minimum distance of only 3 centimeters, it enables users to capture superior detail close-up shots. Oppo has a pioneer with the 10 times hybrid zoom technology. So we've continued to work on this to improve the overall experience. On the Find X2 Pro, when zooming between the different lenses, we've been able to minimize the jump feeling brought by lens switching and provide a smoother experience, much like that you experience adjusting the zoom on a DSLR or mirrorless camera. The Find X2 Pro comes with the ability to shoot in 12-bit RAW images. This provides the maximum flexibility for those looking to edit their images and capture rich content, clear and natural shots. We have enhanced both the ultra-wide angle video and the ultra-steady video capabilities. With a larger view angle, enhanced stability, and clearer image for video recording, the Find X2 Pro delivers improved video stability in all scenarios. Live HDR brings hardware-level real-time HDR effects through integrating functions such as 10-bit, 3 HDR, and color tuning. This improves the image quality and accuracy with better balance of lighting while avoiding overexposure in bright areas and lack of details in dark areas. With the peak power performance of 65 watt, SuperVOOC 2.0 can charge the Find X2 Pro's huge 4,260 milliamp battery in just 38 minutes. SuperVOOC 2.0 uses an innovative bi-cell battery design to deliver maximum charging power to 65 watt. This means you can use your phone and charge it at the same time. Behind the performance of the device and 5G connection of the Find X2 Pro is Qualcomm's Snapdragon 865 mobile platform, with an X55 modem providing one of the most advanced 5G platforms on the market. The Snapdragon 865 flagship processor will improve the overall performance of the Find X2 Pro by 25%. Plus, with its 12 gigs of large memory and 512 gigs of storage, this device is a workhorse that delivers the ultimate in performance all day long. The Find X2 Pro also supports IP68, so it is splash, water, and dust resistant. It is based on Android 10. The Find X2 series supports the full ecosystem of Google mobile services and our Android Enterprise recommended. It's a seal of approval that our hardware and software have met Google's strict enterprise requirements, and we provide high-quality enterprise services. ColorOS 7.1 is our best-looking operating system to date. It comes with a lightweight design and lighter icons, new icon options, and more than 70 original themes, redesigning sound, and 100 special wallpapers from international renowned artists. ColorOS 7.1 also comes with our brand new dark mode, which is one of the most discussed features on Android 10. We have optimized it to another level. It applies high contrast with pitch dark interface and immersive adaptation with not only the system apps, but also 90% of the most used third-party apps. Finally, ColorOS 7.1 has been updated with all the latest security and privacy functions today, which users demand. With App Lock to encrypt selected apps, Private Safe to create an actual safe for your confidential files and apps, Personal Information Protection mode to protect the information overlay. Sorry, guys. As earlier at the start of this presentation, I mentioned that we wanted to see the charging capabilities of the Find X2 Pro. As you can see here, at the 38-minute mark, the device has charged to 100%. So not only does the Find X2 Pro have a large 4,260 milliamp battery, it also has fast charging, our fastest charging capabilities. All right, let's get back to the presentation. The Find X2 Pro will be available from early May and will be priced at 1,199 euros. The Find X2 will be available from early May and will be priced at 999 euros. Before we let you go, we actually have one more surprise. Please enjoy.
You got it right, I'm overwhelmed. You better watch, I don't play the same. I'll show what I got, made better catch up. 'Cause time can't wait, babe.
Rock you.
Whoa.
Rock you.
Cool little one, don't stop, come a little closer, closer.
Come on, get ready, meditation. Come on, right imagination. Hey, babe, go ahead, while you're waiting, it's getting hot now. Don't get like it's right now. Come on, get ready,
Oppo's 5G CPE Omni. It's the first 5G CPE ever to support millimeter wave and sub-6 GHz simultaneously. Omni is equipped with 2 separate antenna modules for 5G signal in different frequency bands. It features what we call O-motion, 360-degree 5G antennas, which rotates back and forth in omnidirections to capture the best 5G reception on millimeter wave. Then, for sub-6 GHz, there is the O-reserve 5G antennas. These antennas analyze all 8 antennas to automatically select the best 4 and establish 4x4 MIMO on sub-6 GHz. As for 5G performance, Omni is equipped with the Snapdragon X55 5G modem. The peak download link rate reaches 7.5 gigabytes per second in field tests, and it's applicable to any carrier's customization or frequency band on 5G and 4G. So, next time, when you think 5G, think Oppo. Thank you.
So that's the keynote done, and we've got the device here. Let's go ahead and get it unboxed. All right. Here it is. We've got a really premium design. There's ceramic in the back. There's also a vegan leather option available, and it's symmetrical, so the glass on the front is also curved in the same way that the back is curved. But let's look at my favorite feature, and that is this beautiful display. Quad HD plus resolution, HDR10, and most importantly, 120 Hz refresh rate. This thing is sharp, it's vibrant, and so smooth. You've got 5G, which means you're going to be able to quickly download high-quality content and experience it on this stunning display. Oppo are saying, think 5G, think Oppo, so we'll see how that goes. Now, let's take a quick look at the cameras. We do have a triple rear-facing camera setup. There's a primary camera, there's the ultra-wide, and there's also the 10x hybrid zoom. A 4,200 milliamp hour battery with SuperVOOC 2.0, 65-watt charging. That's going to get you from 0 to around 100% in just 38 minutes. And of course, we've got all of the premium flagship specifications: Qualcomm Snapdragon 865, 12 gigabytes of RAM, 512 gigabytes of storage. This thing is an absolute beast. I can't wait to spend some more time with it, especially this display. And that's it from me, guys. It's been a really fun experience. I hope you guys have also enjoyed this behind the scenes coverage, something different, something we haven't done before, myself or Oppo. If you want to see more of it, then definitely let me know. This is going to be unboxed properly, detailed, SuperSaf style on the channel. Make sure you go ahead and check that out. You can't miss that. And I think that's mission accomplished for Uncover the Ultimate Experience. Thanks for watching. This is SuperSaf. I'll see you next time.